Hey people, well after I showed off that Lakewood model P-223M I just recently got, thought we'd pay a revisit to this other one I have. This is a later one. This is the later one I have from 1987, which as you can see has the 3rd gen blade set. So, thought we'd pay a revisit to this one. So once again, we'll have a look around it and we'll fire it up. Here's one side. I had to look at this and compare it to the other one I have, and seems the shade around this one is truly dark. Really that coffee color. Yeah, shade on this one is darker. Other side. Now, the paint job on this one is not as rough as on the 84. As you can see, there's a few marks here and there. But as I said, according to my friend Tori the Fan Man, this paint job on these Brown Lake was always pretty shoddy. So even though this is a smoother texture, it's probably got some flaws here and there. Maybe not on the outside, but probably on the inside. Go around to the back. There's the back. Got 3 slats broken out on the bottom and one like partially broken out. And there's the motor, which of course is the later McMillan motor with the exposed rear shaft. And like most full-size 3rd gens, this one has the full-size half-inch shaft. Day code of the motor is C87, which means March of 87. Which is ironically the same date as on the other P-223 I have from the same year, which is the regular tan version, which of course is just a P-223. I'm going to turn this around. There's some scratches here. Might not have been painted very well, and it probably has what appears to be a few paint flaws. Which leads me to believe that the paint job on these really was kind of shoddy on all of these. And just like the 84, not only the blade but also the grills are beige or almond, as are the handle and knob. And of course, yeah, the later solid brown sticker with the white bordering. And this is currently the only 3rd gen I have with the smooth blade hub, or the square-less blade hub. I mean, it doesn't have the squares etched in. And it's not exactly smooth because it actually has the same ridged pattern as the centerpiece of the blade hub. Well, now we'll fire it up again. It's high. And pretty much like all these third gens, it has the varying speeds. Lows like slumber quiet, and high like really flies. I think medium's the only average speed on these. Back to high. And O-double-F spells off. And I think the real paint issue is probably on the inside bottom. It probably wasn't very painted well. Feels kind of like it may be rusted or something. But anyway, I'm glad to now have two of these. This third gen and now a second gen sitting over there. Now all I need is the later third gen with the smaller 6-screw cabinet. I think it should be complete with my set of P-223Ms. So there you go. This is a revisit of my 1987 Lakewood model P-223/M. Thank you for watching.